Tired of those annoying pimples ruining your photos? Want flawless skin in seconds? Today, I'll show you how to remove pimples and acne perfectly in Photoshop. So let's dive into the video. Step 1. First, open your main image in Photoshop. As you can see, this image shows a girl's face with several pimples and acne. Now press Ctrl+J twice to duplicate the layer 2 times. Then rename the top layer as Texture, and the middle layer as Color. Step 2. Turn off the visibility of the texture layer by clicking on the eye icon, then select the color layer. Now go to Filter and Blur, then click on Gaussian Blur. Step 3. Adjust the Gaussian Blur radius according to your image, then click OK. Step 4. Turn the texture layer visibility back on and select it. Go to Image and Apply Image. Step 5. In the Apply Image settings, Layer set as Color, Blending set as Subtract. Opacity as 100%, Scale as 2, Offset as 128, then click OK. Step 6. Go to Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer and select Black and White. Then click on the Lock Transparent Pixels icon. Step 7. Again, create a new adjustment layer and choose Levels. Click on Lock Transparent Pixels and adjust the contrast as needed for better visibility of texture. Step 8. Now select the texture layer. Choose the Clone Stamp tool. Now adjust brush size. Keep hardness 0%. And adjust opacity and flow as needed. Step 9. Now hold Alt each and every time, and click to sample clean skin, then carefully remove pimples and acne. Remember, every time you have to hold Alt and click to sample clean skin, then carefully remove pimples and acne. Step 10. After removing all blemishes, select the color layer and temporarily turn off the texture layer. Step 11. Select the mixer brush tool. And preset brush. Hardness as 0%, wet as 60%, load as 1%, flow as 3%. Now gently brush over the face to smooth the skin naturally without losing details. Step 12. Delete both the levels, black and white, and adjustment layers. Step 13. Turn the texture layer visibility back on. Apply a blending mode, like vivid light, to enhance the final result. And that's it. You can now see the beautiful, smooth, and professional skin retouching result. And that's how you can remove pimples and acne professionally in Photoshop using frequency separation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, because it really supports the channel. Comment below and tell me what type of Photoshop tutorial you want next. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Creative Digital Hacks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.